Alright, we did number 3 in class, so we don't need to talk about that one, but number 2, identify the equation of a quadratic function with the vertex 0, 2 that passes through the point 2, 18 and opens upward. Vertex is a key word. You know it's going to be vertex form. Vertex form is y equals a parentheses x minus h close parentheses squared plus k, like we talked about on number 1. Your h and your k are given to you. H and k. It passes through the point 2, 18. A point has coordinates as x and y. There you go. So we're going to go ahead and plug into this function, this vertex form. We would say y equals, so instead of y, we're going to say 18 equals a parentheses x was 2 minus h was 0 squared plus k was 2. Okay, take a second to absorb that. We just substituted in h, k, x, and y into our function. So now we want to get a so that we can find our final answer. We're going to go ahead and do 2 minus 0, that's 2. So a times 2 squared plus 2. The rest of this is just PEMDAS. 2 squared is 4. So 18 equals a times 4 plus 2. Now do we multiply first or add first? PEMDAS says we multiply first. So we're going to say 18 equals 4a plus 2 is another way to write that. We want to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. We would get 16 equals 4a. Dividing both sides by 4, we get that a equals 4. Now what do you do with that a? All you have to do to find your final answer is take that a and put it back into the original. But we don't want to keep 2 and 18 for our x and our y. We want to actually keep the x and the y so we have an equation. So we're going to say y equals a times x minus h, x minus 0 squared plus k. And if there's any simplifying we can do, we do it. So y equals 4x squared plus 2, and you're done. Alright. Number 2 we did. Number 3 we finished in class. Time for number 4.